Introducing Ted's Woodworking, the #1 woodworking resource. Make 16,000 projects with step-by-step plans, even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Each of the 16,000 projects are detailed enough to leave nothing to guesswork, yet simple enough for beginners. It contains complete instructions from start to finish, leaving absolutely no guesswork. Step-by-step instructions, cutting and materials list, detailed schematics, views from all angles, suitable for beginners and professionals. Earth's largest database of woodworking projects. Here's what you're getting. Instant access to all 16,000 projects with step-by-step details, plans, cutting and materials list and more. Lifetime free monthly plans, no recurring fees or other charges. A treasure trove of tutorials and in-depth woodworking training. DWG and CAD plan viewer, so you can edit and modify your plans. 150 premium woodworking videos covering a wide range of topics, hosted by master craftsmen. How to start a woodworking business book, learn how to make money selling your custom woodwork. Complete woodworking guides, over 200 pages of tips and tricks with detailed drawings and diagrams. 16,000 plus total number of plans. 24,000 plus satisfied customers. 173,266 plus projects created. The launch offer is closing shortly. So join now by clicking the link in the description below and get access to 16,000 plans.